Hey kids, did you ever want to play I Won't Back Down by Tom Petty? I know you did, and I know you do. So here's a little something about the acoustic guitar part, particularly on the chorus. Jeff Lynne, in his inimitable production, often uses very thinned out acoustic guitar sounds on either side, spread stereo. So for the verses, you can just get away with a very simple strumming pattern of down, up, down, up. One, through all those chords. And then, oh, sorry. C, E minor, D. And so this little transition into the chorus is where the action really starts to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 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 2, and 3, 1. So it's 1, 2, and 3. I guess I'll probably go from that C add 9. Oh yeah. A lot of times if I'm playing this, I'm going to play this as a C add 9 as opposed to the C. It just makes this transition easier and it sounds good in this tune. So going into the chorus, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and. So on the and of 3, you switch right back to G. You go 1, 2 and C, G. And then on beat 4, I'm going to right hand mute. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and. So if you just take out the chords and look at the strumming pattern, sort of up, up, down, up, up. I gotta take the chords out. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And the thing to note is that you never play a chord right on beat 1. It's and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and mute. And the mute happens on 4. So the downbeat is sort of anticipated. We say it's played on the end of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. So on the end of 3, you're changing really abruptly. So the two tricks are basically on 3 and. You have to change very quickly. So if you practice that a little bit, you can go C, G, D, C, G. Where does it go to? C, G, D, C, G, D, C, G, C. That. C, G, C. So you go down, up, mute, up. Down, up, mute, up. Down, up, mute, up. And then also down, up, mute, up. Down, up, mute, up. And so on and so on.